I'ma head out then.
Big moves, I'm that dude. Bet I see you from the top, yeah, real soon. Looking down on the haters that I've been through. Told them I'll see you.
Hey, yeah, USB messed up on. How you doing, man? Is that thing working out for you?
Man, already burning shit up. Been here an hour, already burning shit up, dude.
I know why I say it's working right for you.
Yeah, I'm gonna get it back going though.
Hey, hopefully you can get it right. Hopefully you
I
can
hope
get it.
so too.
Yeah, exactly. Say it's too early in it, man.
I'm telling you, man, I ain't been here an hour. Already got this shit.
But you know, that's how it always work out, though. If it go too smooth, you might need to get nervous.
Believe in karma, old enough to be your daddy, young enough to fuck your mama, young enough to
Man, Joe, give you a problem, man. Kick you.
This morning I had to bring through everything.
Right, equipment ain't gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.